Let's go for a debate. Tea versus coffee. Sanjeev, you prefer tea, and Shomendo, you prefer coffee. Let's do it.
Okay, I love tea because I think it's a Indian. It invented in India. So, and I personally love because of the taste. Like, if you taste the tea beside my home, like uh, I take every uh, evening the tea with the 50-50 biscuit. It's enough for me, and I like this. Yeah.
Okay, Shomendo.
Yes. So, ma'am, first of all, I want to contradict one thing that he said. Tea is actually not Indian thing. It's actually invented in China. So it's actually from China, and then British people they imported from China and started tea plantation in India. And if I also say coffee is originated from Arabia, the Arabian Peninsula, and from Arabia, like the cultivation started in other places. So both the drinks are actually from outside India, but I like coffee more because that coffee actually contains caffeine. So this caffeine actually increases your uh, hormone levels, so it increases your productivity. Tea is more like drink for relaxation, and you want to feel good, then you can have tea. But the thing is that mostly in our country people consume milk tea, and milk tea is not considered healthy, because if you consume black tea or green tea, that is good, but milk tea or white tea, what do we say, so yeah, actually not good, because uh, many people like they get problems of gastric problems because of milk tea. But the thing is that how tea is actually popular, it has a history, because when British people they imported tea from China, so they have to sell it. But before selling anything, so you first have to create demand in market. So what they did, so they distributed free tea everywhere in India. So first they let people get addicted, then they started selling tea. So that's how tea became very popular in India. So the thing is that we are actually still carrying like what British people taught us. It's definitely not an Indian thing, but this tea culture is actually started from the British people. So this is the history behind it. So the thing is, my point is that yes, both the
It's
tea and coffee culture is important, and it's based on uh, individual what they like. But I think among those two, coffee is better option and healthier option.
All right. Anything you want to add to this, Sanjeev?
but I think the tea is more much better, healthier than coffee, because the green tea, if you consume daily the green tea, it's helps uh, to make you weight loss, and yeah, it's in India tea is the consumption of tea is much better than coffee, and yeah, I personally think that most of the people like tea apart from coffee, because uh, it's a like come from our forefathers and something like that. So and the main production of tea is Bengal. Like Bengal is the uh, more production of tea, much production of tea. Yeah. So yeah, that's it.
All right. Anything to this? I think this is fine. Both of you have participated and shared your views on tea versus coffee.